My name is Mwaka Makasmia. We are live at Eberi Omuma Road. Eberi Omuma Road is a very significant road that shouldn't be abandoned by any government in place. This particular part of road is very key and fundamental. This road, this particular point gets you to Ariara International Market. And from this particular road, you can connect to River State. And this is Abai Ariara beside. This is Eberi Omuma Road, according to the residents and traders in this area that we have interviewed. They say this road has been abandoned for over 30 to 40 years. According to them, all the past administration have abandoned this road, and they are also appreciating the government for coming to their aid for awarding this road by contractors to handle this road. And they send their messages and appreciation messages to the governor. And they also beg the governor to please intervene and additionally and make sure that these contractors fasten this work to avoid meeting the reconstruction during the rainy season. My name is Magama Kasini, and thank you for watching Kasa TV. Please make sure you share this video right now. Share this video, drop a comment and tell us what you think about this video. Don't forget to follow Kasa TV on Facebook and YouTube. Please click on the share button, click it again. Thank you. What's your name?
Chief Ben. Oh, really?
Okay.
I'm living at number 1 Ben. Oh, really?
So tell us, how have this road affected in the past? When was the last time it was reconstructed?
Since I live here, 1980, this road, government has never once attempted construction or reconstruction. This is
For the past how many years?
For 44 years I've been living here.
For the
44 years I've been living here.
Okay.
I've been living here since 1980. I'm a stranger. And I'm a surveyor. By the grace of God.
For the past 44 years, this road have not been reconstructed by anyone.
Come to make an attempt of construction or reconstruction on this road. This is the first time.
Okay. So where does this road link to?
It leads to Eberi. From here, I try junction to Eberi. River State.
River State.
Yes.
So how do you feel about the current construction?
Well, I thank governments have come in for the construction of this road. But the fact is that what I aimed is not almost actually been done. There are some structures that block this road that's supposed to be, can I say, removed. But they are all still here. Opposite this St. Mary, there is a drain, there is a small drainage St. Mary Church built entering there. It was blocking water not to pass through since 30 years. That is why a power line here, junction, is very much pouring. The water does not go. And as this company started this road, they never removed that drainage to make it wide.
What you are saying in essence is that you commend the governor firstly for coming to
Very good.
Omuma,
and he has fulfilled.
and this road has been abandoned for over 40 years.
Plus.
Over 40 years. This particular road connects to River State. And what they are not saying in essence is that the government should look towards connecting the water, the drainage system to Ife.
Yes.
So that the road, well, after construction, will also last the test of time.
Without drainage, the road will last.
Okay, thank you very much. This is Eberi Omuma Road. This road has been abandoned for many years, and we are today here live in the location to ascertain the ongoing project. Today is 7th March 2024, and we are here to ascertain the ongoing project and know what is happening in this particular point. This road connects to Port Harcourt, as we rightly said previously, and it's a win-win for Abia, it's a win-win for Aba with the current ongoing reconstruction of this road. Okay, good day, sir.
Okay, my brother.
Please tell us what's your name.
Okay, my name is Kinsley. Kinsley.
Kinsley, where are we right now?
Abayo Boulevard.
Abayo Boulevard.
Abayo Boulevard Road, Eberi Omuma Road. Yeah.
So we were here last year, and you told us how you felt that this place was terrible.
We wasn't happy last year.
Last year.
Bad road. But now we are happy.
So as at last year, how was the poor condition of this road affecting you last year?
things wasn't good. Things didn't go well last year because of the bad road.
Okay, things were not going well last year.
Yeah.
How do you feel now with the present reconstruction by the Abia State government, Dr. Alesut? How do you feel right now?
Well, we are very much happy, praying that God will help them to finish the road as they're under construction.
Okay, if this road is being completed today, how will it boost your business? Kedu otu esi enyere business? Kedu otu oge esi enyere business gị aka ma arụcha ụzọ a now?
Okay, ọ ga-eme businessman aga ndị na-agafe agafe nwee ike na-abịa buru akwa.
Okay, why aha gị?
Yeah.
Tell us your name once again.
Okay, Kingsley. My business name, Kingsley Dry Cleaning Services, 52 Eberi Road.
Okay, where does this particular road leads to?
Okay, at the boundary of River State and the Abia State.
Okay, this part of the road leads to River State.
Yeah.
Okay. So what about this particular point? Where does the road lead to this particular side?
You mean this one? Area Junction.
Okay, this is the Ariara Junction.
Yeah.
So this road will connect people from River State to Abia State.
Yes.
And will also bring people that are coming from River State to Ariara Market.
Ariara Market.
And also indirectly, it will also help to boost your business.
Yes.
Because people can also walk down. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother.
Okay, what's your name? Again.
Aha m Chukwumeze Nwuche Ebelemokwoma.
So tell us about this particular road. Where are we right now?
Anyị nọ na Eberi Omuma Road, Abaghị Ogbuleba.
Okay, so when was the last time you saw good road in this place?
Ihe awụ 30 years m bidoro n'Abaghị. Afọ a na-aga-eme 30 years. Anyị ahụ bidoro ihe mbụ. Kemgbe anyị nwere nwe ụdị ihe.
Okay, what do you have to say to the governor concerning it?
Ọ na-agbalị kama na anyị na-asụ more grease to his able. So ya adụkwa onye na ihe anyị na-agbara ọsọ ya maka mmiri nwere ike pụ na ọsọ ga-agba ebe a otu oration na-eji eme ebe a mmiri bịakwute ihe ndị a na-arụ ọ ga-enye anyị nsogbu. So anyị na-achọ ka ha adụkwa ihe rụtukwuo chịtakwuo ndị ọhụrụ n'ụdị ọ ga-awụ ha na-arụ ihe agbapụ ya ọsọ ma bụrụ ma mgbalị ọ na-agbalị bata ya anyị na-asụ bịa biko ka agbapụ ya ọsọ.
Thank you very much.
Ndewo nnọọ.
Tell us what's your name.
Yeah, my name is Augustine Onyongo.
Okay, Augustine. Okay, well, where are we right now?
Yeah, I'm a resident of this area, Eberi Omuma Road. From my understanding, this our road is a federal road.
Okay. So how long have this road been abandoned?
Yes, this road has been abandoned. From onset, we have not seen this before. This is the very first time we are seeing this type of thing happening in this road. It's the first time. So over 19 good years or 24 years, we have not seen this. This is the very first time.
Okay, so how do you rate the current reconstruction of the road?
Yeah, the construction is going, but all we are asking is they should fasten the job because of the season. Rainy season is fast approaching, and the company, we don't know if they have been mobilized to carry on their work because the work is going slow. So if they are mobilized, we expect them to do more work and add more workforce to ensure that the rainy season did not meet us. Because if peradventure rainy season meet us here, we don't have any other place to run to. The road will be entirely blocked. So we are asking the government to mobilize the company that is working the road so that the company will bring the best of their equipment and manpower to make sure that they facilitate the work. We are happy what the governor is doing. For the very first time, we have not seen this. Since this road has been in existence, all we want them is to push more workforce so that we don't go into erosion problem again.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, tell us what's your name, sir?
My name is Evangelist Christian Arinze.
Okay, tell us what's the name of this road we are standing on?
We are in the Abaghị area, Eberi Omuma Road. So the road connected from Express Road to River State.
So tell us how long have this road been like this? I
To
mean,
say,
without getting government attention.
I think I came to this town since 1985, and this road has been in a very bad condition. There is no time we have seen this road like this before, because the road is not good for motorable. It's not well motorable because of it's just this church. Sometimes I have to just grade it and make it somehow motorable. Yeah. So that's how it is.
Okay, so what do you have to say to the government that came to the rescue of people in Oberoma after 40 years of
In the first
abandonment?
place, I have to thank His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Oti, which you can see some of the verse in my body here, because I'm a staunch member of a Labour Party. For him to show us concern, because when he came here for campaign, he stood at this church in the presence of God and said that once he won this election, he will see that this road connect through. So by now, we are seeing that the promise he made is going on. So we thank him so much for granting this opportunity to make award this road for being a road to be tarred. In fact, we are so much happy. We are so much happy. So, and again, we're expecting that once the road have started, please let the contractor that is handling the road speed it up and put things in place so that the road will be to a standard, because the way we are seeing the road, there is a lot of delay movement that are affecting the road. Sometimes they work, sometimes they will not work, and it makes the road not. By now, in fact, we would have supposed to see something more meaningful than this. But we thank the governor for making this road to be an accessible road for people. So we are very much happy. Yeah.
Today is 7th March 2024. We are here to ascertain the ongoing project in this area. If this road is being completed today, it will connect Aba to Port Harcourt, to River State. It will also link Aba to the world, because this road is a very significant road that shouldn't be abandoned by any administration. So with the help and intervention of Dr. Alex Choma Oti, this road is getting the attention needed. And as we speak to you at this particular moment, contractors handling this project are doing their best to ensure that this road gets the needed attention. And they are building this road to last. This is Eberi Omuma Road. Eberi Omuma Road is a very significant road that has been abandoned for over 40 years, according to the residents of this area. They have been abandoned for over 40 years by the previous administration, and the present government, Dr. Alex Oti, have sworn to make sure that this road will be completed. And as we speak right now, we are there live at Eberi Omuma Area Road. This is Eberi Omuma Road by the another famous Catholic church, which is in this road, which we call Saint Mary. This particular road has been abandoned for years. But today, it's getting the attention needed by the government of the day. This is the Eberi Omuma Road. This particular road, according to the residents of this area, say that this particular road connects you to Port Harcourt, River State, and different parts of the country. So one will wonder why this road has been abandoned. This is Eberi Omuma Road. Eberi Omuma Road is a very significant road that has been abandoned for over 40 years, according to the residents of this area. And today is 7th March 2024. We are here to ascertain what is happening. We were here last year, and it was terrible for most of the residents. As they lamented about the poor condition of this road. But today, we are here, and we can tell you categorically that this road is currently under construction. But at this particular time when we came, the contractors are already done with their work, and we only have to ascertain the progress made so far since the flag up of this construction. And this road is already boosting commerce and industry, because this road connects from River State to Abia State and directly to Ariera. So a very significant road like this shouldn't be abandoned by any administration or any government. As you can see, police stations are already striving. It's with the reconstruction of this road. That is to tell you how important and significant this road is, not just to the state, but to the whole community at large. So what are we saying? What we are saying in essence is that this road is a very important road, a very key road that shouldn't for any reason be abandoned by any government in place. But the contractors are doing their work best, are doing their work well within their ability and capability. The two drainage systems are currently under construction. The two drainage systems are currently under construction, and this road is very key and fundamental. The residents of this area are thanking the governor for remembering them, and finding this road important and key to reconstruct. So thank you very much for those who are watching us live. Please drop a comment now. Tell us where are you watching this video from. Thank you. We visited Eberi Omuma Road, and Eberi Omuma Road is a very important and key fundamental road in Aba Abia State, and most residents have wondered why past administration abandoned it for over 40 years. As you can see vehicles moving some goods down to River State from this road. Imagine what will happen. Imagine what will happen if this road is fully constructed. Imagine what will happen if this road is commissioned. Imagine what will happen if this road is 100% constructed and commissioned. It will not just boast trade and investment. It will create over 1,000 jobs. So please don't forget to share this video right now. Share this video, drop a comment and tell us what you think about this video. Don't forget to follow Casa TV on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.